today's agenda, I'm going to make a cake at some point. I'm going to clean the apartment. I also need to edit a video to post on the confidence series and drink my coffee. So we're going to work on the video right now. Then I'm going to get ready for the day and then we will do everything else. I'm ready for the day, but my apartment is a mess. I opened the door because it's finally nice outside in Vegas, getting some fresh air in. But I'm going to clean all of the stuff that's just sitting all over the place. We're gonna get cleaned, we're gonna organize, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. One storage tip that I'm very obsessed with is these little things here. So we have a bunch of coffee mugs and it's so clutch because you can just put them up and layer them. We also have this in our cupboard. Let me show you. Which makes it so much easier to organize rather than stuffing everything in random places. Just go like this, bam, you know where everything is. It's clean, organized. I think we got them from Costco.
You sun tanning? You like the sun?
The apartment is clean, finally. I still have a lot of laundry I need to put away, but for now we're gonna make lunch because I'm starving. So, I'm gonna share with you guys one of my favorite Costco secrets. It's probably not a secret, you probably may have seen this before. They sell out very fast, but these are the best chicken nuggets ever. And yes, I said chicken nuggets. I'm about to make chicken nuggets for lunch. Let me show you. I normally eat the same things basically every day. Sometimes I switch it up depending on what I'm feeling, what my mood is. So for lunch, this is like one of my go-tos that I always eat and it's so good. Just Bare chicken nuggets. So these are very similar to a lot of people say Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Ingredient wise, they're not bad compared to other chicken nuggets. So just to compare the two, these are also from Costco. They're Panko chicken nuggets and these are the Just Bare ones. This is actual chicken, where this is more like McDonald's chicken nuggets. The texture, the look of it, it's still okay. I still eat it, but it's not as good or as healthy as these. I put them in the air fryer to make them a little crispy. I almost overdo the amount of time it says because I really like my chicken nuggets as crispy as I can get them without them burning. So you can air fry them, you can put them in the microwave. They're super easy, but they are frozen. So air frying is perfect. Second thing that is my go-to from Costco is their rice. We used to have a rice cooker. It was not a very good one. And let's just say someone left the rice in there for too long and now we had to throw it away. Again, it was also a cheap one. So we have been using Costco's rice until we get a new rice cooker. But this is so easy. You put it in the microwave, you just open it slightly, put it in for 90 seconds, and you're good to go. It's a good consistency, and I like to bring these two together when I make my lunch. So let's go make this right now. It is later on in the day. Oops. When people say you need to give up all of the unhealthy food to achieve your dreams, your goal body, they're lying because I eat these french fries. In-N-Out burger. On the topic of things that are not very healthy, I'm going to make a cake. So right now, we're using Devil's Food Cake. We have some peach bars, some caramel, and there's Cool Whip in the fridge. This cake is actually called Better Than Sex. I did not name it myself. That is what it's called. So we're gonna make some and see how it turns out. I have made this in the past, but it's been a while, so wish me luck.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so the cake is baking. Now I need to chop up these eighth bars because they're gonna be sprinkled in between both cake layers with Cool Whip and caramel, and then it's going to be also a topping. So we're gonna get this chopped up while this is baking, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Now technically, I think you're only supposed to do this on one piece of cake, but I have two, so we're gonna layer them. I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom as I do to the top. I learned a trick. If you can't open a jar, you hit around the edges with a wood spoon. Take out all your anger. And then, look at that, it opens. Done. All I need to do now is put it in the freezer. I almost said fridge. I think it just waits for like 10 minutes and that's it. It's messy, but it's cute, right? Like, look at that. What's going on, you guys? I am heading to a photo shoot right now. I have everything packed. I'm wearing warm clothes because I have to change when I get there. So bear with me. I'll try to film as much as I can. And let's get going.
We welcome you to the show.
Oh my gosh, this lighting is horrible. Okay, I'm done with the shoot. I'm heading home right now. We just ate amazing food. I was starving, long overdue because I had a quick like breakfast lunch basically. But right now I'm gonna head home and cuddle Reggie because I'm freezing and I'm tired. So I'll see you guys at home. Shoes, bam. Look at this cute outfit. I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I'm cold, but look how cute. I got to keep this from the photo shoot. This is this bra. It's like a built-in sports bra. Like this. It's the back. It's like a ribbed material, like this. See? I'm gonna watch some movies, get ready for bed. Good morning. It is currently Sunday. It's currently Sunday morning. I'm gonna take Reggie to the park. He's super excited. He's crying in the background if you can hear it. You ready to go to the I'm not gonna say it because he's gonna freak out, but we're gonna head there right now. And then I'm planning on going to the gym, and then I'm gonna go to potentially a coffee shop to get some coaching work done for my online people and for the people that I'm coaching in person. So to the park we go. I'll see you guys there, and hopefully it's not too windy. Maroon moment, Converse. I just took pre-workout because I'm so tired, but I need to go to the gym, so here we go. Also, my wrist looks crazy. Hold on. Ow. There we go. That's better. Okay, to the gym. I'm back from the gym. I'm making dinner right now. I'm sorry I didn't film. I was in the zone with my lifting, and sometimes it's hard to film while also like focusing on going heavy. I did lower body. I was trying to hit a certain amount of weight, which was really heavy, and for other exercises I was trying to get more reps in, so it was very intense. I have frozen tamales. I'm making those right now. They are probably not the healthiest, but it's gonna be 20 grams of protein. So before I close out this video, I wanted to talk about fear and why it's important to do things that scare you, as long as they're safe, obviously. But if there are things that you've been wanting to do for a long time and you just never had the guts to do it, or you didn't think you were good enough, and if the opportunity comes, take it, go after it, because you'll realize it's not that scary. Let me explain. I feel very nervous when it comes to actually doing the modeling side of things. It's very different than just taking selfies at home. I can do that easily, but when there's someone with the camera and they're directing you and you have to move and everything, I just feel like I'm doing the robot and I don't know what I'm doing. So I was really nervous, but it ended up being really, really fun. I realized that I'm not as bad as I thought I would be, and it also wasn't that scary. And I also realized that the more I do things like this, the more I'm going to be better at them. So that's a big extreme case. It could be as little as going to a coffee shop by yourself. That used to be super scary for me too, being in an environment where there's other people and me being by myself, not because I thought I was in danger, but just because I just felt weird being in that environment, like a social atmosphere by myself. I think it's just the fact of being a little insecure. You don't have other people to kind of be there with you. Whatever it is that you want to do that you're too afraid to do, start small and then go big, and you'll realize it's not that scary. So with that said, it's 9:37 p.m. I need to get ready for bed because I'm coaching tomorrow morning super early. So I'm gonna end this video. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you liked the video. I'm glad you spent a productive weekend with me and got to do all of the random stuff that I did. My weekends don't normally look like this. I'm usually working and then I go to the gym and then I'm just working at home, but I wanted to take you with me, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have more content coming up soon. But again, you're awesome. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.